Holiday weekend for everyone.
Yeah, good Thursday morning. Happy Thanksgiving to a lot of folks. And of course, this morning, waking up a lot of clouds around the region. Yesterday, just a wet day, windy, and of course, eventually the cooler temperatures moving in. This morning, well, the rain has moved out, but we are still dealing with the gloomy skies. They're going to be here through at least the morning hours and maybe even into parts of the afternoon for some folks. Live view from Mount Vernon, looking back towards the north. Hardly any leaves left on those trees. Of course, the last couple of weeks, we've also seen a lot of wind, but this morning sunrise was officially at 6:48, so still about 2 or 3 minutes away until that occurs, but slow clearing. So some folks may see some sunshine this afternoon, especially into southeast Missouri. The closer you are in southern Illinois to the Mississippi River, the better chances that you are going to see some sunshine. Further to the east, it may take a little longer, so even towards sunset tonight, we may still see some low clouds lingering around. Still relatively cool outside, though running close to average for this time of year, lower 50s today. We'll bounce up a few degrees on Friday, but another cool down in store for us for Saturday and Sunday, and another chance for some rain coming in here by Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. Could even mix in with some snowflakes Sunday night and into Monday. Checking in this morning, though, temperatures back into the middle 40s. We have just not moved very much through the overnight hours, mainly because of those low clouds. What that does is it acts as a blanket and traps a lot of that heat down here at the ground level. 46 currently in Mount Vernon, 46 as well in Carmi. We've got 48 in Paducah, 47 in Cape, and to the west there, Fredericktown, Missouri is at 44. Down Highway 67 to Poplar Bluff, you're at 46 degrees as well. Lots of low clouds. You can really pick these out on the temperature map, and underneath those clouds, temperatures in the 40s. As soon as you get away from the clouds, though, temperatures are back into the 30s, so cooling down as we've seen clearing skies to our west. But high pressure right now just to our south. Light west wind around this morning, and really not much wind expected throughout the day today as the high gradually starts to work its way to the south and east. Winds will turn more towards the south later on this afternoon. There's that clearing line and not moving a whole lot. So again, it's going to take some time, but eventually later today we will likely see at least a few breaks in the clouds. There's our next cold front this morning, making its way through the plains and back up into the Rockies as well. A few showers, snow showers out across parts of Minnesota. Those will be moving away from us. Not anticipating rain or really even anything in the way of snow or anything like that along that cold front here over the next couple of days. This afternoon, lower 50s across southern Illinois, middle 50s from Paducah back over near Portageville and Caruthersville, Missouri, and even around Hayti, expecting a high temperature there about 55, 56 degrees this afternoon. As we move into the evening hours, we'll drop back into the mid to upper 30s. So if you are heading out to do some Black Friday shopping, shouldn't be too bad outside. Probably need the winter coat and could be dealing with some patchy fog, but not much in the way of wind. Now that next cold front drops in as we go throughout the day on Friday. Temperatures still into the middle 50s along that cold front, though, Friday afternoon, mainly in some of our northern counties. To the south, a few spots, maybe approaching about 60 to 61 degrees or so on Friday afternoon. So one of the warmest days actually showing up in our 7-day forecast. Today, though, lunchtime temperature running about 50 degrees. This afternoon, we'll top off into the lower 50s. Went ahead and called it partly cloudy. Again, some folks, especially closer to the Wabash River, likely going to be socked into the clouds even well into the afternoon hours. By tonight, more clouds expected to move in closer to 9 and midnight. By 9, we're dropping back in the mid 40s. So if you plan on heading out for a bonfire this evening, not too bad weather-wise, but maybe need to bundle up just a bit. At least the wind won't be too much of a factor there. Black Friday forecast, Black Friday morning, temperatures into the upper 30s, mostly cloudy skies, some patchy fog in a few spots. Again, very little in the way of wind, but we'll cool back once we move into the weekend. Saturday, some sunshine, but highs only running about 50 degrees. Chance for rain makes its way into the forecast then by Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. And then look what happens here. As we go into Monday and Tuesday, it's going to feel like winter, especially on Monday. Monday morning, upper 20s, afternoon highs only in the mid 30s. We need to keep an eye on this big storm system. It's going to move from the deep south right up into the northwest. And on the back side of it, lots of cold air getting wrapped in behind. Right now, it does look like most of the measurable snowfall will be to the east of our region. Around here, just expecting a lot of clouds and maybe a few snow flurries mixing in there on Monday. I'm not anticipating anything in the way of measurable snow at this point. Tuesday, high temperature only in the upper 30s. We'll bounce back a few degrees with some sunshine set to return by the middle of next week.